Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can reset your WordPress website and back to default settings. To reset your WordPress website, first go to your WordPress dashboard and then on the left panel go to plugins and then click on add new plugins. Now on the search bar here search for WP reset, and that is the plugin you need to install. So I have already installed and activate. After install and activate this plugin, just go to the tools and then go to the WP reset. Now on the top left, go to reset and then scroll down. Site reset. Now before reset your site, you can take a backup. Just click on create snapshot and then here type a name, create snapshot. Now it will take your database backup. Okay. Now let's reset our site. Just here type reset and then go to reset site, reset WordPress, and we have successfully reset our WordPress site and it's now default setting. Now if we look to our website, now here you can see it's completely default layout, it's the default theme. So now if you want to go back to your previous version of your website, if you want to restore your site, you can do it. Just go to your dashboard and then go to tools, click on WP reset. Now on the top, click on snapshot and then here you will see all of your snapshot. Just on the right side, click on action and then restore snapshot. Click on restore. Now your website will be restored. Now if you check your site, and here you go. So that's how you can reset your WordPress website and back to default settings. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.